1 by x equals 7. Then the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Solution. This problem is very most important in competition exams, but you solve within 1 second. But like that, x plus 1 by x equal to a. It implies 1. X square plus 1 by x square equal a square minus 2. Very simple and important. Note this problem. X plus 1 by x equal to a, that implies x square plus 1 by x square, nothing but only a square minus 2. This is same applied one. X plus 1 by x equals 7, that implies x square plus 1 by x square. A equal to 7, so a square 7 square minus 2. 7 square 49 minus 2 equal 47. Very simple. So 47. Same another method, another problem. Solve it. X minus 1 by x equal to 7. Then find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. X minus 1 by x equal to a, that implies x square plus 1 by x square equal to a square plus 2. Note this formula, very important. Compare and these two formulas. X plus 1 by x equal to a plus equal to either plus, so a square minus 2. Here x minus 1 by x equal to a minus, so a square plus 2. X minus 1 by x equal to 7, that implies x square plus 1 by x square equal a square 7 square plus 2. 7 square 49 plus 2 equal 51. So answer is 51. Next same like that, x plus 1 by x equal to 3. So x square plus 1 by x square, formula equal to a square minus 2. Find out a square minus 2, a equal to 3. 3 square minus 2. 3 square 9 minus 2 equal 7. Same, x minus 1 by x equal to 5. X square plus 1 by x square equal to, this formula in mind out, a square plus 2. A square 5 square plus 2. 5 5 is 25 plus 2 equal 27. Very important formulas within 1 second answer done.